So, what do you think? Do you like the chair?
So mom's not gonna sell this house. Instead, she's gonna make a hotel. And I'm gonna stay with her.
And give up all of your dream in the city? How about your boyfriend?
What do you mean? This is my dream. I don't need to live in the city. I want to live by the sea all of my life. About my boyfriend, I'll take care of it.
Mamma mia.
First, you're gonna need some balsa wood dowel like this. I bought it in centimeter size because, well, I'm in Indonesia. We use centimeter, meter, and so I hope you can find it in your country in some kind of similar size in inch. And these are the pieces you'll need. And I hope you can convert it into inch yourself using some calculator. It's not rocket science because it's so small, so I don't do it this time. And this is the main material to make the woven part, jute rope or hemp rope. What do you call it? I Google Translate it. And it's a little sneak peek about what we're going to make today. It's about like this. And let's continue. But before, I'd like to show you a little bit about balsa wood. It's kind of very light and soft wood. You don't need a lot of effort to cut it. Just use a simple cutter and voila! So I can find it easily online at certain craft store, especially at a store that sells supplies for house model or aerodynamic toys model, and I hope you can find it easily also in your country. Let's start with the first part. Mark it like this, just use simple pencil. And then we're going to stick this part like this. Put the hot glue right here and put it there. Of course, you can also use white glue if you'd like, but it's gonna be too long for you to wait for it to dry. So I skip white glue this time. Make sure it's flat at the upper side, just like this. And of course, it's not gonna be perfect. We're going to do something about it later. And then this is going to be the trickiest part because you have to glue two parts in a time. Make sure it's flat like this. And don't worry about the imperfection. We're going to fix it with some structure. Don't forget to mark the middle part, even though it's so simple and easy. And the basic structure of the chair is done. As you see, every stick has a function. It keeps the size evenly at every part and to make it look neat and structurally strong. And let's continue to the woven part. This is the most satisfying part. Start it with glue the rope right here with some hot glue and then continue to do what I do. Just make it tight and neat. And then I think the first part is done. Let's continue to the second part. We're going to make the pattern. Start the second part by gluing the rope right here, just like the first part, like this. And then let's continue. So cut the rope into certain lengths and tie the end with a cloth pin, like this. Because we're going to do this and it's impossible if the end is big like this. So this is the most basic pattern, but of course you can invent your own pattern if you'd like. And even though I fast forward the video, it's still gonna be a quite long video because I'm trying to explain it. I hope you don't get bored with it. Oops, I made a mistake. It's tangled to the chair leg. Don't worry, we can always undo it easily. So I finished the half part. I'm going to continue the other half starting right here. Just glue it right here and done. You can add a little tie in the middle like this or not. It's up to you. So this is the final look of the chair with the natural color of the wood. If you have a little imperfect shape with the wood cutting like this, it's okay. You can always fill it with some hot glue and it fixed. Now let's go to a beach resort and try the chair. It's such a perfect rustic design for a beach vibe. And of course you can paint it into any color you like. I try blue on this one. Finish the paint and let it to dry, duh, before you weave it. But we're missing something, the table. Let's cut another dowel into these pieces to make a simple dining table. So it's really important to keep it straight against a flat surface. Put the glue right here and let it to dry on the surface. And then continue to the last part just like this. Just do the best you can. It's not gonna be perfect, but you can make it good. As the tabletop, I'm using some 3mm cardboard. I cut it into these pieces and glue it right here like this. Just use some hot glue to make it quick, and don't forget to cross the different direction of cardboard texture to strengthen the structure. And don't worry about the imperfection because it's not gonna be seen later. You don't need to glue the tabletop to the table legs because I'd like it to be removable. I'd like to change it and fix it anytime I like. And then, use any kind of thin paper you like as the tablecloth. I don't recommend you real fabric because it's not gonna be easy to fold. And here we go, our complete dining table. I wish I painted the chair into the matching blue with the tablecloth. Well, that's okay, I can always make it again. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. See you in my other video. Bye!